Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about trade secrets and what is its comparative analysis in India. So let's understand with the definition of trade secrets. Definition of trade secrets has been given under NAFTA, which is North American Free Trade Agreement. According to it, the trade secrets is defined as an information which is the commercial value, having its commercial value within not its public domain, but also that reasonable steps have been taken to maintain its secrecy. Till now, there is no law, statute, or legislation which have been made in India in now to give protection to trade secrets in India. And nowadays, the protection of trade secrets have become an essential important part to encourage new innovative ideas, new innovative projects among people. Many of the courts in India to protect the trademarks uses the word trade secrets and in confidential information, whereas other courts clearly distinguish between these two terms. There is a lot of difference between these two terms that routine or day-to-day affairs of an employer are commonly known to others so that they cannot be called trade secrets. There are some essentials which are in compliance with the trade secrets. First and foremost essential is that trade secret is not readily available. Secondly, it has been subject to many reasonable steps and circumstances by the person who is lawfully in control of the information. Secondly, owners should take all the necessary required steps to maintain and retain its secret. Is that it is the duty of the owner to maintain the secrecy of trade secrets. It protects all the valuable information that cannot be protected under other forms of intellectual property. Protection of trade secrets in India. Let's understand this topic. Now, as there is no uniform legislation in India, so two types of protection are granted to trade secrets, which are contractual and the other is equitable. Trade secrets are most important for running a successful business, therefore it has to be shared with certain employees. First, there is the Indian Contract Act 1872. Under this act, section 27 of Indian Contract Act 1872 states that there is issue and confidential information under this act, which states information must be highly confidential before it could be considered as a trade secrets. Information must be only confidential, then only it can come under the category of trade secrets. There was a case under Indian Contract Act 1872 which was in compliance with trade secret, which was Saltaman Engineering Company Limited versus Campbell Engineering Company Limited, where the issue of confidential information came into light in front of the court, whether they owe a duty of confidence to a company who had supplied the materials for the making of leather, or whether they do not owe a duty for the confidential information. And the other was Civil Procedure Code. There is one more act and one more protection in India which is given to trade secrets, Civil Procedure Code. The trade secrets are protected during the proceedings, and there is no compulsion on plaintiff to disclose the details or during litigation, and that can be kept totally secret, but it can be held only under CRPC. However, there is no doubt under this, no doubt that disclosure may be sought by either of the parties against each other, to prove or disapprove the facts as to whether the information being in conversation is confidential or it is not confidential, whether it can be provided or regarded as a trade secret, whether it cannot be regarded as a trade secret, and was shared with the defendant under such understandings. And one more act which was found was Copyright Act 1957. In the case of Burlington Home Shopping Private Limited versus Rajneesh Shibar, the court observed that the law of trade secret tries to protect a range of business data. Customer list of business could also be copyright as a fact of works. The law of trade secrets protects different sections of compiled business data by protecting expression. So while concluding my video, I would like just to understand some more facts. I would like to say that trade secrets recognition was not being there in India, but now protection of trade secret has been made an important essential aspect, and many laws have been formed for the trade secret so that the owners and the business, outside parties, financial, they can rely on these trade secrets and they can have a sense of security and protection for the business. Thank you.